kayo? Kasi kami.
Basta kayo, kami naman ang aatake.
And take a look around the room. Love comes wearing disguises. How to go about and choose. Break it down by shapes and sizes. I'm a man who's got very specific taste. Just my time. I just wanna be close to your heart. This is where my healing finds its start. Here is where I find my peace, when my soul is finally free.
Ano kasi siya, OJT siya sa AGNP. Tapos ako nagtatrabaho na. Ngayon,
To be honest, first time ko nakita si Claudine nung time na nagtatrabaho kami sa AGNP.
ano siya, mayabang. Tapos, akala mo kung sino, sobrang pasaway.
Halos wala akong feeling sa kanya kasi trip ko lang pagtripan siya kasi safety officer siya.
Hindi ko naman siya pinapansin hindi ko rin naman siya kilala. And then, hindi ko siya kilala as in. Pero kilala niya na ako nung nasa college kami. And then, may friend ako na common friend pala kami. May common friend kami.
Kaya nagka-time ako na i-add. Kasi sabi ko, parang ito ata yung safety.
Then, after, I think, 3 to 4 years, may nag-chat sa akin. And then, si James yon hanggang
sa meron kami ng conversation, lumalim ang aming conversation.
sa sobrang sa sobrang pag-chat, yun, parang nag-open kami ng kahit ano. And then, yung time na naliligaw na siya.
Dumating na yung maging kami, pero ang style ko ay pa-segue kasi siya ay may siya ay broken.
Parang hindi ko kasi dati nakikita yung sarili ko na mag-aasawa ako. Yung parang may time noon, before na dumating sa akin si James, nawalan ako ng gana sa love. To be honest, lagi kami nag-aaway. As in, ewan ko, lagi kaming nagbabangayan, lagi ko siyang inaaway ng walang rason, nor yung talang as in, basta ko lang siya inaaway. And then, ngayon, parang, ewan ko, sobrang saya talaga, sobrang saya ng puso ko. I love you the most. When the day I met you, my life has changed. You make my world happy. You make me smile all the time. You cheer me up on my hardest day. You stay with me on my darkest day. You made me feel important and special all the time. You never get tired of loving. You never get tired having conversation on with me. You give me a love, a true and pure. You give me everything that I didn't expected for. I will love you so hard and cherish every moment with you. I never knew what it was like to be able to look at someone and smile for no reason. Our relationship is the best because it's unexpected. Thank you for placing and putting God in the center of our relationship. Just always keep the faith for our dreams, and this share will be answered by His perfect and precious timing. I love you, Yam. I fall deeper and deeper in love with you every day. I love you.
When you are with me, I'm free. I'm careless. I believe.
Claudine, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa itong si James na naririto ngayon alinsunod sa batas at alintuntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
Buong puso ba ang pagkakaloob mo sa kanya ng iyong sarili bilang kanyang may bahay?
Opo, Father.
Nakalaan ka bang balikatin sa piling niya ang pananagutan ng buhay may asawa?
Opo, Father.
Ikaw naman, James, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging may bahay itong si Claudine na naririto ngayon alinsunod sa batas at alintuntunin ng ating banal na simbahan? Opo, Father. Buong puso ba ang pagkakaloob mo sa kanya ng iyong sarili bilang kanyang asawa? Opo, Father. Nakalaan ka bang balikatin sa piling niya ang pananagutan ng buhay may asawa? Opo, Father.
Hello, my friend, we meet again. It's been a while, where should we begin? Feels like forever.